Hey, good afternoon friends. This is Jay, Fix This House. Welcome back to the channel. I want to give you guys a quick update of what's going on with our lake home build. Been a while since I posted an update video. I've just been so busy with other projects. I think it's just fair for me to go and show you what's going on. So this might be a little lengthy video, but I kind of want to go deep down into detail and kind of give you a walk around the house of what's been done and what's under construction at the moment. You can see we have our fireplace. It's being mounted. It's not fully done. It just got level 5 coating on it. No texture, but we're still deciding whether to make this concrete. So that's pretty cool. It changes colors. It's a workable heater. Make sure that when you install one of these, it has a vent outside to draw in the air. I know there's a lot of installs out there that they don't do that ventilation from the back here. Careful out here, we got no decking. But there's the vent. We're removing some of this decking. Beautiful day at the lake today, by the way. Just got my son some kayaks here. First birthday, that's what he wanted, so we went kayaking this weekend. Yeah, trifold, bifold doors, whatever you want to call them. Still got a bunch of siding here, siding there. Glass was supposed to be up here, but we had a mistake on when we ordered these. It came out 1 inch too big. So now I have to contact the company so that we can make and readjust that, including the framings. Bathroom still under renovation. This is what's currently going on right here at the moment. Floating stairs just came in. So not came in, well, last month. I don't know if you've been checking out my stories, but now we're framing for the spine or the floating stairs, which is gonna go here. Originally there was a post here that's holding the weight. So now we remove that because we're gonna replace that with this right here. These 2x10s, I believe. 2x10s run across here. We're gonna support it so that we can support the floating steps. You see that we got this beam cut out that's gonna go right here for support. So we got this false wall built so we can temporarily hold all the weight that's going on up here. This is gonna be the kitchen, by the way. That's what's holding all the weight, because in order for us to install this huge beam, which is gonna replace this area of the steps right here. So from here, that's the post. We're gonna cut here, and the rest of this is gonna be replaced by that long beam that's going to be supported by here, and this one right here is supporting that beam going through here and supported through right there. So that's going to be fully supporting this floating steps. The only thing that's going to be standing is this post, that post to hold the steps. Cut that 2 feet back so that we can make room for that to land right here to maintain the clearance of 3 feet per code. Let me take you upstairs. So it's pretty scary going upstairs since there's no stairs going up. We have to use a ladder going up here. So here's what's currently going on with the upstairs loft. This is going to be our bedroom here. These are all the wasted, unfortunately the wasted framing that can't fit. So I got to ask the manufacturers to send this so we can fully frame this area. And yeah, beautiful day at the lake, by the way. I love this view. Those are 2 bedrooms. 2 will hold the weight. I have a structural engineer coming down here to check everything to make sure that everything is framed right. The last thing I want to see is stuff falling and people getting hurt. We don't want that. We want everything up to spec per code. Structural engineer should be coming here next week. I'm always scared going down this ladder. Yeah. So now let me take you downstairs. So there's my walk space, because it's not really a crawl space because you can actually stand up inside there. Here is currently the laundry room. We got the pump for the laundry, so that because our pipe is going down here, so we need to pump the water up. So we installed a pump. Don't mind all this stuff. This is gonna get cleared out. This is just first coat of mud, but that's where gonna be our laundry, our dryer, our sink. And so we got this already framed up for the view here. So we got a nice view of the lake. It's gonna be a nice big window there. Let's turn on the light. We got rid of this. This is our water heater. This very small water heater. You know, for a big home like this, that's a very small water heater. And there you go. There's our floating step for the bottom. This is a little smaller than the one that we have going on upstairs, but this is the one that's gonna be going from top there going down here. Sorry for all the mess. We got the railings from view rail that's gonna get installed soon to go up in the deck. But yeah, everything's framed up. This is framed for the trifold or bifold doors so that we can go and have guests down here as well. It's gonna look nice. Let me go back here, kind of zoom out a little bit. Already framed up. You can see everything is nice and framed. All we gotta do is wait. We're just waiting for all the doors and the glass to come in. Then we can install that there. It's gonna be nice. Those are temporary boards. And this is gonna be where all the magic's gonna happen, friends. Well, production wise anyways, this is where gonna be to fix this house office. This is gonna be my new office. I've never had an office. If you guys know, I've been doing a lot of my office work inside my garage in our older home out there. I've been doing it on the kitchen table, playroom, wherever. I'm so happy to finally have an office of my own to do all this great and blogging work for you friends. All the content is going to be moved here. I got a little area already here that's ready to put all my, collectibles and whatnot. Mirror copy of that and going on here with a nice, window, doing all the editing and whatnot. I can look out there and enjoy the view. So again, friends, I can't thank you guys enough. This would have not been possible if it wasn't for all the love and support that you friends do for the channel and for all the support that you do in every one of my platforms, my TikTok, my YouTube. Thank you so much. You guys have been here for me, for all of those who stood by me since the beginning days of Fix This House. I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. My family and I thank you from the bottom of our hearts because, I'm out of breath. We're going up. I'm not that young anymore, but yeah, we thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts because if it wasn't for you friends, this dream would not have been possible, and this reality is coming into fruition. Thank you so much, friends. I know you've been there from when we bought the land, but it didn't come through. So we saved the land. We're still up in limbo on what's going to go on to that one, but this is what our dream is, to have a lake home. But yeah, this is the update so far of this house. Stay tuned, friends. Let me close out upstairs. Very, very dangerous place right now. All this construction going on. This is what I like. I really like this glass window right here. Anytime that someone knocks at the door, you can just go peek out to hey, what's going on? Entrance door. I know it's minimal, but it's already framed out for a pivot door. Okay, friends, so we're gonna have a nice pivot door here. It's already made. We're just waiting for it to come in, but I'm gonna show you once that's installed. The only thing that's truly finished in the house is this awning up above. So that's probably my fourth 40-yarder already. We took out so much from this home. Yeah, but anyways, this is the stairs. There's two of them. The reason why there's two is because one of them was made by mistake, so company gave it to me. I'd like to end it here. Hopefully, forgot about this. This is currently our bathroom. This is the only working bathroom right now. I gotta upgrade this, but this is gonna be the guest bathroom, so stay tuned for that. Here it is so far. Pretty nice day today to vlog. That's what's going on, friends. But yeah, again, friends, thank you so much for all the love and support. I'd like to end it here. This is the update of our lake home build, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Please continue to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you friends on the next update. Thank you so much.